Hello guys, and welcome to the WChat official channel. Actually, it's been a while since we added a new video, especially that we have made a lot of changes and we rebuilt the app from scratch, and we changed a lot of usage, or we changed a lot of features and we should describe on how to use these features. A lot of people thought that we removed a lot of things, but they didn't know that they can still use it, but in a different way. Okay, so today I'll be showing you much everything on how to use the app or how to scan the code or anything. Okay, so I'll be talking here, discussing. I'll be releasing version 2.1.2 hopefully today or tomorrow, and then this video will be inside the app in the tutorials, so that people can refer to it whenever they want. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna open the app. As you can see, whenever you open the app, it will show on how to scan the QR code from the beginning, description, then the QR code. As you can see here, if the QR code is bigger than the screen, you just tap on it. This is a new feature. You just tap on it and it will decrease the size to fit by tapping on it. Then we open WhatsApp, we go to settings, WhatsApp web, link a device, as you can see here. Okay, we link and we scan the code as usual. The code will change every like 20 seconds. Okay, so we scan the code, and here, as you can see, a lot of people said that it has been stuck or something. No, it is not stuck. Either you have to scroll with your hand, or you have to scroll with the scroll here. Okay, so as you can see here, what's new here, if you scroll up to get the use of whole screen, the search bar will disappear. Okay, and whenever you scroll down back to the bottom, to the top, the search bar will reappear again. Okay, this is a new feature, so that because the watch screen is so small, and we added a top bar and a bottom bar, that's why we decided to make it disappear. Okay, now here you can search. This is a search bar. You can search for a chat. Okay, let's say I want a chat for my, okay, I have my WChat number. Okay, and it will search for anything that starts with my. Okay, so if we open my WChat, we open the chat here. Whenever we open the chat here and we went back in, it will start looking if this user is online or not. Okay, this is how it works. A lot of people said that we removed this feature. No, we did not remove it, but this is how it works. As you can see here, the screen is so small. Okay, let's keep it on. For this, I'm gonna go online now on my other WhatsApp. As you can see, it showed the green. Sorry for the image. It showed a green circle here. It means that the user is online. If I went offline, as you can see here, I went offline with it. It's just disappeared. Okay, so this is how you look for a chat who's online. This is much everything. You can check all your chats directly from here. You don't have to search, or you can search for any chat. All the chats are here. All your chats are just here. Okay, and it will load the profile pictures for anyone. If you press on the profile picture, it will show, as you can see. This is much everything for the chat list. Also, there's a button here. If you press on the button, it will go to contacts. You can search for any contact you want and you can start a new chat directly from here. Also, in this contacts tab or view, you can, whenever you search, let's say for J, whenever you search, it will start looking if the contact is online or not. As you can see, this contact is online and this contact is online. Okay, using the search tab bar here, it will search for who is online in contacts directly. Okay, this is how it works. Now you can search for who's online from the chat by opening a chat and going back out, sorry, or using the contacts and searching for a user. You will start searching if he's online or not. This is how who's online work from now on. Okay, you have two ways to search for who's online: by opening a chat or by searching in contacts. Okay, for other points, now if we went into a chat, as you can see here, you can play voice messages, or here we have, you can press, let's say, inside here, and you can use this here to show that let's say you want to start the voice from half of it. Okay, then you press play, it will start from half of it. This is how it works. Okay, okay, now it's not scrolling. As you can see, a lot of people said that it's not scrolling, or it stopped working. No, it did not. You scroll like this. Okay, in the messages view, this is how you scroll, and as you can see, if it's still at the top, it will keep loading more messages. So that's why you have to go back down, and let's see the type of messages we have, or that we support. Okay, we loaded a lot of messages. As you can see, the speed in loading messages. Okay, even the system messages also are supported. As you can see, this message was deleted. Okay, now tap to load map. Okay, it's not showing on the cam, but this is what is written here. So when you tap, now I can see the map. If you press inside the map and you start here, you can zoom in the map and see the map directly from here. Zoom in or out you can. Whenever you finish, you press outside the map, then you scroll back to messages. Okay, now we're back to messages. Here there are images. If you press on an image, you can zoom in, zoom out, go back. We support also videos. You can play directly videos. It will play directly. It will not load and play. It will just buffer and play. Okay, just like YouTube. We support contacts. You can send contact or receive any contact and check it right. You can check the profile picture too of the contact. Okay, this is a video. If you play, we can play the video directly from here. As you can see, it buffers and play directly, as you can see. Well, this is a GIF, I guess. Okay, this is for messages. It will show all type of messages in general. Even if a reply message, it will show too. I'll show you now in a group. Let's say here I have a group that will show some reply messages. I'll show you how it looks like. Yeah, just like this. As you can see here, this is a reply message. If in a group a user just you commented on a message, okay, it will show also. Let's go back here. Okay, let's say I want to send a message. what type of messages that we support. Of course, text message, but using Scribble, and you pressing send button here, it will send. Okay, this is how we send a message. You can use the keyboard that we created. Okay, if you keep tapping here, it will open the language, or from settings you can change the language. Okay, we change it back to English. As you can see here, it's in English. Okay, you can't see. Okay, it's in English right now. So whenever I tap anything, it will tap, send, and send back again. It will send. Also, you can use quick replies here. If you want to add quick replies, you go to the phone app, you search for WChat. As you can see here, this is WChat. We go to quick replies, we press on add here, we add whatever we want. Let's say what. Okay, done. We press send to watch, it will send to watch. If we press back again in here, as you can see here, we can see the what. Okay, this is how you add quick replies. If you want to send a contact, let's say this contact, it will send directly. You can see the speed. If you want to send in here a location, it will send. You press on location, it will send your current location directly. Okay. If you want to send a voice message, as you can see here, if it keeps beeping like this, just cancel it and press it back again, and it will start recording. Okay, as you can see, we are recording right now. Press send, just sent it, and okay, here's the voice message sent. As you can see, the speed of the app is amazing. Okay, now if we go to statuses or stories, we can see all stories. As you can see here, these are the recent stories, and down you will see the viewed stories. Okay, now let's open a story. It will load, as you can see here. It will load all images. You can press on any image as usual. Oh, here we did not add this feature yet. Okay, but as you can see here, it did not show that that I viewed the story. That's because I turned on in the settings the invisible mode. Okay, if you turn this mode on, it will not show that you did see any story or any chat or anything. It will you will be invisible for the stories. Okay, you can check any stories invisible here. If you press on the images, also the profile images, it will show. This is much everything about the stories, and you can check the time, of course. In settings, okay, you can adjust the font size, you can change the theme back to light with a white background, and you can see the app versions. You can change the keyboard languages from here. You can choose any language and it will become the default, and you can check the app version as we said before. Okay, this is much everything the app. Now you know which or what to use or how to use the features of the app. If you still have any question, please let me know. You can send me email, or you can talk to me on Facebook or any messenger that we support. Lately I was not responding much. I know I was busy on finishing this project and the other projects, but now I will be more available and I will support anyone who needs me. Okay, thank you for watching, and please if you have anything, you can comment down here the video and I will respond as soon as possible. Thanks.